Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to apply Yelp remove spam comments. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing for business owners, what you need to do is head over and open up Yelp business app. Now once you are logged into your account, what you need to do is navigate to the review section of your business account dashboard, then find the spam comment or review. Now next thing is to report the review. Click on the three dots next to the review, select the report review or flag as inappropriate option. Choose the reason why you believe the review is spam, example it's fake, violates Yelp's guidelines, etc. Submit a report. And number 4 is to provide supporting evidence if needed. If Yelp requests further evidence, provide detailed information such as timestamps, patterns of behavior, or any other data that supports your claim. Number 5 is to wait for Yelp's decision. Yelp will review your report and take appropriate action, which might include remove the review. You can monitor the status in your business dashboard. And for general users, what you need to do is go back and then open up your Yelp app, and then what you need to do is simply navigate to the business page where the comment or review appears. Click on the three dot icon next to the review, choose report review, select the most applicable reason for flagging it as spam, add additional comments or details that explain why the review is spam. Yelp's moderation team will review the report and decide whether to remove the content. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.